This may look a little disorganized, you think? But this is finally a circuit board that replicates pretty much everything in the Willys Wagon that's needed to make it legal, with the exception of a couple of blue contacts that I haven't yet figured out what they're for. But I was first trying to figure out how to do a relay, and I got my first bulb, and then I went, oh, I could probably figure out how to wire up the horns. After which headlights came in. And of course you need a high beam switch. It might be on high beam now, but there's a switch. No, there it is. Switches back. And then we get to brake lights. Sorry, I missed them. Yay, brake lights working on the micro switch. There, where's one? Come on. And then there's a parking lights. And this is the acid test, because I haven't tried this yet. Only one turn signal blinks.